कोशिश है पाकिस्तानी मईशत की डिजिटलाइजेशन का अमल जल्द मुकम्मल हो। यूएई के आईटी प्रोफेशनल्स को देखकर खुशी हो रही है। शेख जायद अल नहयान की क़यादत में यूएई तरक्की कर रहा है। मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात पाकिस्तान का दोस्त और भाई है। शेख जायद की जानिब से आईटी में जिद्दत काबिल रश्क है। इस तकरीब में शिरकत मेरे लिए एजाज़ की बात है। यूएई आईटी की फील्ड में लीड कर रहा है। अरब अमारात में ज़हीन पाकिस्तानी भी काम कर रहे हैं।
Information Technology, Madam Tania Idrus, Muhtarama Aisha Humaira, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Information Technology, Pakistan, and I'm really honored standing before the most talented people on both sides of the table who have really established their mark through their outstanding efforts, knowledge, and untiring efforts. It's really a great pleasure for me to mention that under the most dynamic leadership of my dear brother, His Highness Mohammed bin Zayed, President of UAE, that UAE is today taking lead in the field of information technology, artificial information, and constructing information infrastructure on the most modern lines. And for me, as a Pakistani and as a brother of His Highness, and for us as Pakistanis and our brothers in UAE, it is not only a moment of great happiness and pride for us that we see talented UAE nationals here working for various UAE companies, banks, very talented Pakistanis sitting here. And through their joint collaboration, they are really making great efforts to promote digitizing of economy, various sectors of economy. And that's what we need to replicate in Pakistan. I have to say, with a sense of satisfaction, that not only are Pakistani brothers and sisters sitting on this table along with UAE nationals and other nationals, Pakistan offers great potential in terms of its population. Majority of our population comprises of young boys and girls from 15 years to 30 years. It constitutes at least 60% of Pakistan's population. And believe me, ever since I have been elected for the second time as the servant of the people of Pakistan, as Prime Minister, I've spent in the last 2.5 months maximum time focusing on how to promote information technology, artificial technology, information in the various sectors of our economy: agriculture, mines and minerals, information technology skills, empowering our youth, exports, industry, and so on and so forth. And believe me, while Allah Almighty has blessed this very friendly country and brotherly country of UAE with black gold and gas, but I must salute my brother, President Mohammed bin Zayed, for carving out a way forward, future which will not depend on oil and gas, but will depend on non-oil and gas economy, by training its youth, by promoting industrial complexes, by promoting digital economy, by promoting subcontracting and making UAE as the hub of imports and exports